How to create a collection on Opensea. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a collection on Opensea in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to opensea.io and now go to the top right here and click on my collections. Now here on this option you should click on it and it will take you to this page, as you can see. Now from here you can create a collection. Right here, click on create. Now add the logo image, the featured image right here, also the banner and the name and all those informations if you want, and then click create. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.